Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using another retiring stamp set, Heartfelt Sympathy. And this is the card we're going to be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of wood textures, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 3 1/4. And I'm just going to rub my embossing buddy over that. And then I also have a soft suede, and that's our card base, and it measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so we're going to get our with Heartfelt Sympathy and Remembering the Life. And this stamp set is retiring as well. I'm going to get my Versamark ink pad, and I'm just going to ink that up really good. And I'm going to put my gold embossing powder over that. And then for the inside, I have that mounted on block D. Okay, I'm going to get these two pieces, and I'm going to come in with the heat tool. Alright, so we can start putting this card together. And I have another piece of wood textures, and this measures 2 1/4 by 5.5. I'm just going to put it down with some snail. And I'm going to center this on my card base, just like that. And then I have a piece of basic black, and this measures 4 by 3.5. We're going to put our sentiment on that. And then I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Sympathy cards are always so hard to make. No one wants to make them, but there is a need for them. And it makes me sad that the stamp set is retiring. So make sure you get it while you can. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple sympathy card using a couple of retiring products. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!